I came home from flying today and plugged in my little handy dandy SkyCharger B6AC to the AC, no lights. So I got curious to figure out what's going on. I took a T8 security Torx bit and I've already removed both the screws here, 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 here. This is the last one. Take this out. Take this part off, and then as you can see, the circuit board on here is bolted on to the bottom, so this just slides straight out. Make sure you remove the ribbon cable, pulls the rest of the way out, and to my surprise, the power supply is actually just a modular power supply. It's not quite a laptop power supply, although it could possibly be. So let's see, when we plug it in, well, we get light on the power supply, so we know it's working, but no light on there. What I'm thinking is that there's something in this plug that prevents it from enabling the power supply to connect to the actual charger if there's something plugged in. And I think what's happening is whatever that is isn't releasing and allowing it to flow through. So I think I'll take my multi-tester here, check to see if we're getting any power here, which we are, 12 volts. Okay. Let's see, so this appears to have 3 leads, the back one being the positive, and it appears to be 2 other ones being the ground. So back one being positive and the front one grounded, no power. The middle one gets power, okay? So if we ground out here, we're getting power. So everything going through the power supply, AC DC converter, we get 12 volts. But we don't get anything on the front ground here. Okay, so let's test this out. Get a little small piece of metal, and I don't want to shock myself. So a good set of pliers, and I'm just gonna short it out, or try not to short it out, but try to connect the front ground piece in this plug to what appears to be a background piece. Oh, there it is. So it is this plug that's causing it to get no power. So now I gotta figure out a way to fix this plug or bypass it or replace it altogether. I decided to just take a piece of metal. In this case it's just a needle from an old airplane antenna holder, and I just started prying at the sides, trying to get that little metal piece to flip up. I just see if we can see this better. So right in here, if I can get a better angle, there's the sides of the metal on both sides. Just took and went into it and just kept prying both sides until it pops up, and then test it out, plug it in, and well, it's not working. I don't recommend doing this while it's plugged in. However, as you can see, it's working slightly, it's just not staying. There we go, got it to stay. So I think for now I'll just stick with it this way. put it back together, and then maybe in the future I'll see about replacing this charging port. Thanks.